Finian here, Blueprint Autos in Roscommon. We're the Brian James dealer for the Midlands area. Today we're going to have a look at 4 trailers we now have reduced. These 4 are 4 ex-display trailers. These are trailers we had on display in our premises in Roscommon here. These are not demos, they're brand new, unused. Each of these trailers is rated for 3,500 kilos gross. First up, we have a 12 foot by 6 foot general plant, an extremely robust, tough treble axle trailer. This one is equipped with single adjustable rear ramps, LED lights all the way around. The retail on this trailer is 6,200 euros. Today we have reduced it to 5,000 euros plus VAT. Huge saving on you. The second trailer we will look at is also a general plant. This is a 10 foot by 5 foot 6 model. It is also rated for 3,500 kgs. At the moment it's equipped with the drop side rear. It can also be equipped with the single adjustable ramps. The retail on this trailer is 4,850. We have reduced it by 1,250 to 3,600 euros as is, or 3,800 with the adjustable ramps. Our 2 tippers, both are the same size, 3.1 meters by 1.6, which is 10 foot by 5 foot 6. The first one we look at here has the double height extended sides on it. It also has the tailgate style rear door, so that's the full width tailgate style rear door. Brand new, unused. The retail on this trailer is 8,510 euros plus VAT. We have reduced it by 1,310. Therefore, the sale price on this one is just 7,200 plus VAT. The last of our tippers is also a 10 foot by 5 foot 6, 3.5 ton gross tipper. This is with the standard sides on it, and it has the single hinged rear doors. They're left and right hinged. The retail on this trailer is 7,510. We have also reduced this one by 1,310 to just 6,200 plus VAT. We have just 4 of these ex-displays for sale, first come, first served. Please give us a call on 09066 26612 for more information. Thank you.